my God. I think that I don't know how to do this. Oh my God. I'm Rachel, and I'm John. I'm Rachel, and I live in Bali. Hi. Hi, I'm John. I'm Rachel's husband. John, did you know that the Danish people make really disgusting porn? No. You were trying to tell me this last night, and I thought you were just being retarded. I was being retarded, but also I wanted to tell you that they make disgusting porn, and sometimes they have sex with donkeys and horses and things. No, Rachel, I think that's the Swedes. They have cleaner horses. Ha 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 ha. Did you ever see, John, the video of a woman making a poop on a piece of loose leaf paper? Oh, Rachel, that is just disgusting. Why do you say these things? Ah, poop makes me hot. Please call your sister if you're going to be in this mood. I cannot deal with you when you are like this. Okay.